So to begin, I have my mackerel sliced fresh fish, cucumber, salad leaf. You can use any veggies of your choice. Then I have my Ugba, onions, Abacha. There is my crayfish, my local nut spices, which I'm going to list out in the description box. Salt to paste, Maggi seasoning. I'm using 2 types of Maggi. So, okay. And here is my Ogiri. I also have my Natron. This is what I will be using for my potash. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be slicing my onions. Maggi seasoning, sure the fish is well seasoned. Okay guys, a little water to cook. Why boiling the fish before I cook, I do the abacha, is because I need the water, the ungo. So cover, allow it to cook. This one is ready. I'm going to be broiling the fish. I'll put it in my oven to broil. You can also fry yours if you wish to, but I'm not going to fry my fish. Okay guys, keep watching. So, going straight to the oven.
Is that schlagsahne or what?
Potash.
What? Potash?
You can use it for cake too. So, mixing the red oil with the potash. So this is what we've achieved so far. Okay guys, these are what we've achieved so far. So now I'm going to put the sauce, the fish stock water inside, and make sure it's well mixed. Next is my chili. There. So my blended crayfish with calabash nuts. So all the stock water, I will be using it, but make sure it's cooled down before you add it to your ungo, to the sauce. I'll be adding onions. More seasoning, Maggi seasonings. Salt. Just feel free to season. So I will be adding in the Abacha. So mix very well. Put it in a fire to steam, just to get hot, not to cook. Don't cook it. So let me on the data channel. If I'm gonna come up for there, you dey video you. Come up for there.